Oh yeah. What I'm changing here is a thermostat for a 2010 Mercedes ML350 right here. Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, this joker is pretty clean. That's my homeboy's mama's car. You know, it's pretty clean. I like the way she keep it clean. Let me go see the inside of it. Yeah, see she got the diamond studded wheel cover. She even put that in there. You know what I'm saying? She liked this car. She liked this car. Got those little diamond things on it, you know. Put those on it. Let's see what else she got in here. Got that up there, you know, little thing. You know. She love this Mercedes though. I ain't gonna say she love it, but she like it. That's what she did to it so far. She even got this on the back of it. See that? Then got some stuff shiny on it. 4MATIC. Interior pretty clean. But I'm gonna show you what a thermostat is. Look down in there. Here, thermostat. All one housing and everything, you know. I just gotta remove the belt, remove this pulley. I already pulled the little clip off of it. Pull the clip off, then you stick a flathead screwdriver in here and wiggle this out of there, you know, see how that's doing. Not the holes, but the metal part that's connected to the hole. See this little metal that's stuck in there? I mean, pushes in. So I'm about to release the tensioner right there on that bolt there. Put a socket right there. Take the belt off, take that, remove the pulley. Then I can unbolt the screw that's on the bottom right here to the water pump housing. Then there's one right in between there. All right, let me go and do that.